You don't need a body serum with this combination. You can actually use these two to get 3 shades in.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, so welcome right back to my channel. How is everyone doing? My name is Sunita Emmanuel. I film about skincare videos and everything relating to beauty. So yeah, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do that. Turn on your post notification bell icon beside the subscribe button. That way you get notifications as to whenever there is an upload from moi. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually use Dr. Davis Afkas Arbutin lotion and K Brothers shower gel to achieve a very good result. Like now, we all know that K Brothers shower gel is a super whitening body lotion. The only problem we're having is being able to figure out the original one, which is the original or which one to actually go for. Different companies produces K Brothers shower gel. So which company is actually best for you, or which one should you look out for when it comes to, you know, picking your K Brothers shower gel? Because this is one of the reasons why people no longer, you know, patronize this particular soap. The one I'm talking about, the one I'm so sure of, I'll leave it on the screen so you guys can try that out and come back and thank me. Now, if you buy K Brothers shower gel and it's not lathering well, just know that you've gotten the fake one, because the K Brother I know actually lathers. So if you want to know if the K Brother you're using is original, try it and see if it lathers. And it also smells according to the particular active ingredients that has been infused into it or that was used to formulate it. Of the 7 days, the 5 days, as well as the 10 days. Trust me, you're not going to get 2-3 shades in 5 days or 7 days, but you can in 14 days. Just stay with me, okay? When it comes to Dr. Davis Afkas Arbutin lotion, now this lotion is a very good lotion. It does not whiten according to the name. It does not give you that whitening effect in like it just brightens and lightens the skin like gradually, and it's very safe. Why I just to talk about this particular cream or pairing it with this particular soap is the fact that it has the optimal pH balance of 5.5, which is normal for the skin, as Arbutin, which helps to also exfoliate and lighten up the skin. Now this lotion on its own, without this particular soap, it will give you just 1 shade. It doesn't do so much. Okay, now there are so many lotions that were, you know, written for Afkas or 7 days or 5 days that do not really actually do this. So it is not just the YouTubers that clickbait people, even the skincare formulators actually clickbait people. Okay, yeah, but that's the honest truth. This also is a body treatment lotion that actively lightens the skin with time. Okay, now it comes in a 500 ml bottle, which is good enough to last you for like a month or 2, depending on how you use it. For me, like, it can last me for more than 2 months, so it depends on how you use your skincare product. Okay, so like I said, it's a body treatment lotion. Now, this lotion consists of a dynamic combo of 100% natural melan combo. It leaves skin soft, moisturized all day. It has been formulated with stearic acid, titanium dioxide. It also has glycerin and marine collagen, which is very good. Now the glycerin, of course, in it helps to you know, moisturize the skin, hydrate the skin, and also soften up the skin. Like these ingredients are ingredients that are very helpful, and they are very natural. They are like on the mild side. So that's why I said this, abuse the Afkas in it. Just stick to what the lotion does. You can also go on their website and read about the product, what the product or what the ingredients infused into this lotion actually does to the skin. But they are very good. Okay, so how you can actually use these two to, you know, lighten up the skin, because the thing is, K Brothers shower gel actually lighten up the skin if you can get the original one, because I've told you guys one certain time that this particular shower gel is a shower gel that I've, like, a friend is using. She uses with just you know, a moisturizing body lotion, and she's getting an effective result. Like the shower gel moved her from 1 shade to 2, I mean 3 shades as I'm talking to you. So it is very effective on its own. So that's why I paired it with a very mild lotion. So if you want to get an effective result without, you know, leaving any traces of bleaching effects, you want to be able to pair one active product and one you know, moisturizing product, or one mild product. That's what you want to be able to do. Kebala shower gel is very active, very active if you get the original one, whereas this other lotion is not so active, so which is why you want to pair them so that you can be on the safe side. You cannot be using two active skincare products. If you do that, you're going to cause like more harm to your skin than good. So what you want to be able to do is pair them together. Now do not forget the fact that you also need a lightening body oil. Now the lightening body oil I highly recommend, like highly recommend, is a lightening body oil that is targeted to actually minimize the appearance of dark spots, stretch marks, or any hyperpigmentation on the skin. And I'm going to leave the oil on the screen. This oil is super amazing and is very effective as well. Like, it's also very accessible. So yeah, that is what it actually does. You also need to exfoliate your skin in order for this product to work. Do the exfoliation like once a week. You don't want to overdo things so that you don't strip your skin. I advise people, when it comes to skincare, less is always more. You don't need to do so much in order for you not to get a reverse effect. This is why you want to keep it very simple. So you need to just exfoliate your skin, use your soap. You don't need a body serum, but if you want, you can actually go for mild body serums that are also targeted to treat the skin as well as lighten up the skin. Don't go for body serums that are too harsh on the skin, because most times it might end up giving you white patches, green veins, as well as stretch marks. Okay, because Care Brothers on its own, there are lots of people who complain that it actually, you know, reacts badly on the skin. So in order for you to stay on the safe side, avoid using body serums when you're using this product like this. So I'm promising that if you use this for like a week, for like 2 weeks, you're definitely going to move from one shade to two shades if you're religious, if you're patient, and if you're very consistent. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you were, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I sell some of these skincare products I talk about, so if you want to actually buy, do not forget to hit me up on Instagram with the handle on your screen. Send me a DM, tell me what you want. I also customize products for your skin tone as well as your skin concern. So if you want to actively and give your skin an under yellowy skin tone, hit me up on Instagram and I'm going to ship to you. Whatever country, just let me know and I'll ship to you. I haven't said this, I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and hopefully I see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.